Okay guys, there's a couple of issues we're running into today, so I'm going to show you a few fixes, things that you need to do in order to complete your digital portfolio. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and go open it from Google Sites. You should have already started it on it yesterday. We're going to go to New Google Sites, and then we're just going to open the digital portfolio we started yesterday. Now, once you get to, let me open the project on Friday's date. Remember this digital portfolio website. You should be able to get through the third component without any problems, to creating the website, to doing your home page, and through creating your class pages without any problems. It's number 4 when you start going to add things to your pages that we're running into issues, okay? So right here, let's say it's already built. You already have your pages built and things like that, okay? Well, let's say you go to add something to one of your pages, click Science. It's very simple to do. You click Insert and you click From Drive, and then you go find it in your drive. The problem is yours won't get to this point, okay? Yours, when you click right here on From Drive, you're going to get an error, okay? If that happens to you, I want you to go try working in Safari. Safari is right down here, okay? See the blue compass button? If you don't see it on your dock, click on Launchpad and go search for it here, okay? Safari is the same as Google Chrome. It's a web browser. It's just the Apple version of it. So all you have to do is go to Google, open Safari, and go to Google and sign in as yourself right up here like this. Just sign in as your own account using your ID and password, and then you can work just like you were in Chrome. Go to Google Sites, pull up your site just the way you did a while ago, and work in here. It should be working for you then, okay? All right, the next thing is I want to show you a button that as you're working on your pages and you want to see what it looks like, look at this button right here. It's called the Preview button. If you press this, it's going to show you what your web page is going to look like for real. Not in edit mode, but for real, this is what it's going to look like. And down here, you can use these buttons to see what it's going to look like on a large screen, which is what's selected now, on a tablet, which is a smaller screen, and see how it condenses your menu up here for you. And even on a phone, this is what your website will look like, and it puts your menu hidden just like that. Okay? To come out of that preview mode, just click that and keep on editing. All right, and finally, one last thing. When you go to submit your project, you're going to come to, after you've published it, you're going to go to Publish Settings, and you're going to grab this whole thing right here. And you got to get the whole thing. It's kind of hard. You got to get the whole thing like that, and Command C. Okay. Now, let me show you a problem that it's giving us. Okay. When we log into Canvas and we go to submit it, let me show you what's happening. All right, let's say I'm done. I'm ready to submit my assignment, and all I should be able to do is Command V right here. Okay, but when I click submit, it gives me an error and says assignment failed to submit. Here's why. I'm going to submit it again, Command V. If you look closely right here, it put a space right before that letter, so you just got to go in and take that space out and hit submit, and it'll work. All right, let me know if you have any questions.